conversation between two friends about visiting grandmother's house. Hi, Grace. Hi, Jennifer. Where did you go yesterday? I came to meet you. But you didn't. At home. That's why I had to come to meet you today. Just calm down. Have a seat. Take a deep breath first. Now, tell me, where did you go yesterday? I went to my grandmother's house to meet her. But why? You have already had an operation. You should rest. You are right. But my grandmother was serious, so I had to go. What happened to your grandmother? She had an attack of paralysis. Can she walk? No. Sorry to hear that. Did you take your son with you? No. I had kept him at home. Only me and my husband went. How is your grandmother now? She is fine, but she can't walk, can't even eat with her hand. Oh. Who takes care of her there? Both my aunts take care of her. They feed her and give her water to drink. Okay. Wasn't she taken to the hospital? She was taken to the hospital. But the doctor told that we can do nothing because of her age. You should take care of her at home. Didn't the doctor even give medicines? Yes. Medicines have been given. All the reports have also been done. Next time, when you go to meet your grandmother, take me along with you. I will also meet your grandmother. Okay. But why were you here yesterday? You didn't tell. I didn't meet you after your delivery, so I came to meet you and to see your baby. I see. Where is your baby? He is sleeping in the room. When I came here yesterday, his grandmother was feeding him milk. I told her that when he cries, give him milk in a bottle. Now, I have to go to the vegetable market. And you should rest. Don't do hard work. Okay. Bye. Bye. If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share this video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my videos.